everybody, and today I am opening some Playmobil toy packs. They look like this. If you can't see, they're really fun. I went to the movie earlier and they said I was a star. So let's get into it. So first, I'm just gonna tell you, you can't like what I didn't live the whole film. I was begging my mum I could, but I didn't. So now I'm gonna open a packet. This is just a sticker, by the way. I've already opened 3, so wait a minute. These are the 3. These 3. I've opened these 3. I'm just putting this guy's cape on. And I've got a knight. I think that's one of the captives. And then this is definitely a captive. If you don't know what captive means or what a captive is, it is basically like a person who's held in jail. So what's this? Knives and forks. Oh, I think I have the girl. Yeah, I have the girl. I have the girl with 2 pence. Yay. She's one of the main characters. She's like the 3rd special character. And I shout out to the girl who played the real version of her. So now I'm gonna put her t-shirt on. I put it like this, by the way. And then I put the arms on. She works in a shop. If you can't see the ones that are here, I'm just gonna move them like about here. This guy looks like a murderer. Now I'm gonna put the legs on. Guys, the movie isn't a copyright. The one I watched, at least. Oops. And don't mind if my voice just sounds different because I've grown. Anyway, I'm not that childish kid anymore. I do watch childish things, but like they're not like that violent. Well, they are violent. That's what I mean. Now I'm on to the hardest bit. Putting the hair on. It's gonna be good. No, that's what my therapist say. By the way, it's like about 8 and my bedtime's at like about 9 or 10. Oh yeah, I just put the hair on. But it's a mess. It's like a mess. Look at her. Oh yeah. My name's David Seville. Yeah, so I've done this way. She has way more things. I don't really put that much accessories in because I don't want to waste time. So like I didn't put this guy's beard on, and I didn't put this guy's money. So now I need to put all of the cash dollar bills in here. No, I dropped all the dollar bills and stuff. Wait a second. I am not tired. Wait, this is such a fake. In the movie, they like about 2 coins, not 3. What's this? I'm just gonna put this on, like, in here. Oh yes! Now I remember. Maybe you would like to pause it and think of what the movie would be like. That'd be really good if you do. Thank you. Now I've stuffed all of her things in it. Not all of them. There's no more space. Why are there so much knives and forks and there's such a copyright. These toys are copyright. They're like so much toy. They're like, if you get her, be warned that you need to put all the lunch things in it, and then like all the knives and forks. I got it from my daddy. Dun 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 dun. Please wait. I might. What? I just finished my own sentence. I like. Please wait. Yeah, finally. Do you have this taste? Here's the girl. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more left. I hope I get Rex Dasher. I don't really need this, guys. I don't even know what it is. Cool. I hope I get Rex Dasher. It'll be very funny. Oh, and I get the girl again. I'll just put that away. I'll put her away. I got like because I stole all the ones from different seats and stuff. And now I'm just like, don't tell me I've got the girl again. Wait, I think I got someone else. Yeah, I got someone else. I think I got the brother. Have I got the brother? What the? Rex Dasher is naked. Oh, I'm sorry, Harry Potter. And just a big shout out to the guy that plays Harry Potter, Daniel Radcliffe. Because he was the one oh yes, I am building the brother. Almost to turn him back up. Turn the music up! Party, party, party in the elevator. Yeah, we going up. Party in the elevator. And I'm singing something up daddy and dirty. Dirty in the elevator. Radcliffe. I went into a Harry Potter store and I saw a picture of Daniel Radcliffe. And it was weird. Don't go. There's a store in Tottenham Court Road. Don't go in. It's quite good. It has good things like all the ones you want. A good friend that plays Arms Royale with me. He really wants the wand, and I wanted the wand. I think it was Voldemort's wand or one of the teachers' wands. Or I think it was Draco's wand. Draco Malfoy's wand. Why am I talking about Harry Potter? Oh, and he really wanted it, but I couldn't afford it. Cause my mum. If you're Insta famous, that doesn't mean that you're like rich. That doesn't mean you're rich, because right now we're poor. And please donate some money to us. I am not being like, but not lying. I am serious. Please donate some money to us. So just please donate. Please, 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 please. We are begging you to donate some money to us. And then we'll give you a big, big shout out and we'll pay you. We'll pay you with good money back. When we buy our store that we're gonna get. I'm blue, that, and it's gonna be so filled with like toys. Oh my god, I need help. Oh yeah, I think I've done it. Now can I put this on?